Alright, out here today with my boy Lee, playing a practice set. Lee started playing tennis less than a year ago, so he's been putting in the work and making great progress. And today's set was more about just getting footage of us hitting and reviewing how we're playing points. And yeah, no, it was a good set. So Lee's got solid ground strokes, and there I just managed to hit a pretty good winner. A lot of that background noise, there's a bit of baseball or softball or something going on in the field next to the court. And today I was just trying to focus on just playing my game. Just trying to stay consistent with my ground strokes. Give Lee some practice. And I've been working on trying to be a bit more aggressive with my tennis. So where there were opportunities, I was looking to attack. So I'm just continuing to find some good depth on my ground strokes, and there just drop shot to bring the Lee to the net, and manage to hit it into space. A bit of wind, as you can hear. Just managing to get some free points on my serve. I was pretty happy with my first serve percentage today, and that's a shot that's I'm trying to go cross into open space, cross court forehand, but I think when I get the spacing mixed up, I just end up hitting it down the middle long. So that actually is something I'm really working on. Oh snap, look at this shot. Redeemed myself by hitting that sick cross court forehand that I was talking about me trying to hit. Damn, that one broke the doubles alley like halfway through the court, so that's pretty tough for Lee. And I think Lee's just playing a little bit passive at the moment, so really letting me dictate the pace. And he's having kind of trouble, a little bit of trouble with my balls at the moment, coming up with some forced errors. I think I've been playing tennis for about 2 years now, and the first year and a half, I've just really been trying to get more consistent, trying to really improve my defense. And then in the last couple months, I've really put a lot more focus in trying to build up my offense and be able to dictate points. So I'm still naturally a very defensive player, and you can see I'm not quite comfortable when I'm trying to go for my offense like that one. I just smacked it wide. But where the opportunity presents itself, I'm trying to create a bit more offense. And there, got to the net, but Lee's shot just floated over the net cord, and couldn't make the most of it. And I'm under a bit of pressure now. Lee's up 30-love in the game. And Lee's got great, he's super quick, and I think he was a basketball teammate of mine for many years, so basketball background, and I think he's still getting used to kind of tennis footwork, and I think that's really the only place that's giving him a bit more errors at the moment. But I'm down 40-love in this set, oh not this set, this game, so under a bit of pressure. Let's see how we go. Trying to keep my balls consistent right here. I didn't want to lose this game off an unforced error, so I just wanted to There you go, pushed them back and forced an error out of Lee's backhand. So yeah, I think Lee's chilling in no man's land a little bit too much. So, which means as soon as I hit a deep shot, it puts him under a lot more pressure, and then I was able to open the court with my next shot. Managed to pull it to juice. Now the pressure's probably back on Lee, because now I got the momentum a little bit. Oh, but he comes up with that shot, so hasn't really volleyed much all set. Oh my goodness, and that is S-tier shot making right there. Supreme touch, like no way I was ever gonna get that. I don't really regret my choice, like hitting it to the net player's backhand. Probably, you know, 8 times out of 10 I reckon it'll go in my favor, but in that time Lee really hit a great shot. Getting it deep to Lee's backhand, and then he was expecting me to open the court again, I think, and then I managed to catch him off foot, or wrong foot him with this nice drop shot. So pretty happy with that point. And that was a very nice deep shot by Lee, keeping me back. And then I probably went for offense when I probably shouldn't have, and resulted in an error. Long game now. I think there's been like 2-3 juices. And look at this passing shot. Oh my goodness, that is just another clutch shot by Lee. Look at that. Nice loopy high margin balls, kind of waiting for the other person to give us a spot, and I think Lee just jammed himself with his footwork a little bit there. There you go, trying to inject a bit of pace and into a short ball, but then my backhand offensive shot, oh my goodness, so I didn't do enough of that backhand really. So good on Lee for making the most of that. Man, that wind. I didn't realize it was this windy. Yeah, nice. Lee's really striking the ball in these last few. I think his footwork might have been a little late there. Or just let me hit it high to his backhand, which is like 90% of all recreational players' weakness, I think, including mine. I'd say, like, whenever someone hits high to my backhand, I just try to hit it high back to their backhand. Kind of play chicken with that. Oh, and there it goes. Smacked it out. Back to juice. And I'm kind of okay with that, making these unforced errors. Like, I think it's a journey I just have to go through as I am trying to hit the ball harder and do more with my shots, is make the mistakes and then learn from them. Nice deep return by me. And drop shot's been working for me against Lee, because I think because I've been hitting more offensively, he's kind of on the lookout for that, and it's opened up the space for that drop shot. Damn, unlucky Lee. So managed to win that game. Hard fought. I think we had like 5 or 6 juices. Now I have a chance to serve it out. Kind of some ugly grunting going on by me. Hey, good shot, Lee. So I hit a nice short one. Pretty happy with how my second serve's going. It's you know, it's not the best in the world, but I think there's some decent spin on it. Oh my goodness! So I kind of slapped this one, but I am trying to get better at this shot. That cross-court forehand, injection of pace. Probably one of the best shots I hit all day, to be fair. And nice flat serve to the backhand, and that was the set. So cheers, Lee. Appreciate you. It was a hot day today, a little bit windy, but fun set. Especially that fifth game was a good one, man.